to all of you. Today's online class is Social Science, continuation of last episode, Structure of the Atmosphere. The last episode we talked about the different layers of atmosphere, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and ionosphere. Today we continue with some more properties of these atmospheric layers. Troposphere, I told you, is the lowest most atmospheric layer. It extends from 8 kilometer to 17 kilometer from the Earth's surface. Most of the air, water molecules and dust particles are contained in the troposphere. And the atmospheric phenomenon such as clouds, winds, snow, rain and storms are also originated in this troposphere. The troposphere extends up to 17 kilometers in the equatorial region, and according to the temperature difference, the altitude of the troposphere changes. In the polar regions, it is up to 8 kilometers. The cooler air comes back towards the Earth's surface. The phenomenon of reversal of the air circulation happens in the troposphere. Due to convection, the heat goes upwards, and in the troposphere, the heated air cools and comes down to the Earth's surface. This is reversal of the air circulation happens in the troposphere. The area where the troposphere is separated with the stratosphere is called as tropopause. Pause means stopping. Stopping of the troposphere and starting of the stratosphere. It comes around 17 kilometers from the Earth's surface. Stratosphere is from 17 kilometers to 50 kilometers over the Earth's surface. Now here, the lower part of stratosphere, the temperature is constant and the air circulates in the horizontal direction. So, the pilots prefer this area for navigating the planes. From 30 km to 50 km in the stratosphere is the ozone layer. It is the ozone protects the Earth's surface by absorbing the ultraviolet rays coming from the sun. And ozone depletion happens because of the man's activities emitting chlorofluorocarbons are emitted from different machines invented from the invented by the people, and this causes the depletion of ozone layer, and there is a hole made in the ozone layer. Through that hole, the ultraviolet rays can come directly to the Earth's surface. It is a harmful thing for the people in Earth. Ozone Day is celebrated on September 16th to make an awareness in the people of the effect of ozone depletion. Then the area, the stratosphere and the mesosphere is separated, is called as the stratopause. And above the stratosphere comes the mesosphere, and mesosphere is up to from 80 kilometer up to 80 kilometer is a mesosphere. The temperature there is minus 80 degree Celsius. Minus 80 degree Celsius. Above the mesosphere comes the thermosphere, and the area separating it is called as mesopause. And the thermosphere extends from 80 kilometer to 650 kilometer is the thermosphere. The lowest part of thermosphere is called as ionosphere because molecules of air become ions in this area because of the shortwave solar radiation. The molecules change into ions. Ions are the part of atoms which carry electrical charge. Atoms which carry electrical charges are called as ions. And because of the presence of ions, this area is helpful for broadcasting radio signals. And radio signals are broadcasted through this area. And this effect is mainly most effective in the daytime because solar radiation is there. Because of the solar radiation, the molecules change into ions. Ionization happens, change into ions. So the effect is in the daytime. And we see that the America radio broadcasting is in the night time. We hear very clearly. What is the reason for that? Because radio transmission is in the daytime. In America they are doing in the daytime, but in India it is night time. When America it is day, here in India it is night time. So we can hear radio programs from America in the night time very clearly. Then global warming. What is called as global warming? Because of atmospheric pollution, different gases emitted from different activities by the people. Carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, and sulfur dioxide, and carbon dioxide, dust particles also. Carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, and dust particles are emitted from the Earth's surface. Due to this, atmospheric pollution happens. And global warming happens because of the excessive amount of carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere. This causes the greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect means the carbon dioxide absorb all the heat going towards the space. Carbon dioxide absorbs the heat going towards the space, and it is without going to the space, the heat is accumulated in the atmosphere. This increases the temperature of the atmosphere. This is called as greenhouse effect, and this will cause global warming. Global warming means all over warming of the atmosphere around the earth, and this will result in melting of the ice present in the polar regions, and that will increase in the level increase of oceans. That will cause great damage to the surface of the earth. And the remaining portions we will continue in the next episode. All of you continue watching my videos completely and subscribe also.